To activate a GoHenry parent account, start by going to the GoHenry website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and email address. Choose a strong and secure password for your account and make sure to remember it, as you will need it to log into your account. Next, you will be asked to add your child's information, including their name and date of birth. You will also need to add a funding source, such as a debit card or bank account, to load money onto your child's GoHenry card. Make sure to have this information readily available to avoid any delays. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will receive an email to verify your email address. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. You will then be able to log into your account and start managing your child's GoHenry card. In the parent account, you can set limits on your child's spending, assign chores and tasks, and monitor their account activity. You can also load money onto your child's card and set up automatic transfers. The parent account gives you full control over your child's account, allowing you to teach them valuable money management skills. To get the most out of your GoHenry parent account, make sure to regularly review your child's account activity and adjust their spending limits as needed. You can also use the GoHenry app to receive real-time notifications and stay on top of your child's spending. By following these steps, you can easily activate your GoHenry parent account and start teaching your child the importance of money management. The GoHenry parent account is a powerful tool that gives you full control over your child's account, allowing you to help them develop good financial habits that will last a lifetime.